guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. Today we are making aloe vera gel from scratch. Yes, we are using aloe vera to make the gel. You can use to pre-put your hair. You can even use it on your skin. Like, you can use it for so many things. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. On here I post DIY videos you can do on your hair that are easy to make. So first of all, you need your aloe vera. I don't really know how you get your aloe vera, but usually what I do is I ask a friend to ask a friend, or ask a neighbor to ask another neighbor, like something like that. It makes the work easier for you because you don't have to, be thinking of where to get aloe vera. That is my part of the country in Ghana. But in other countries that I know of, like in other foreign countries like the US, the UK, they sell aloe vera in the malls. In Ghana, I've not seen any aloe vera at the mall because we don't really have that use for it that much. Like, I don't know. I hope you get it here. So when you get your aloe vera, please take them from the main root itself and then wash them thoroughly. Aloe vera plants emit some toxins, so it's very important to make sure that you have washed them thoroughly to remove the toxin. If you don't want to put your hand in it and washing it like you're seeing me do, you can just soak it in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just allow it to just sit there and then take the water out. You realize there'll be a discoloration when you're done taking the first water out. You have to add another water to it so that it's able to do a better job. So you can see me selecting the bigger ones because I'm using it for a gel. It's important to select the big ones so that it's easy to scoop the gel out of the plant. But if you're just using it for an oil, you don't have to do much for that because you'll be chopping them or blending them. You don't have to do much in selecting. You just have to, blend everything together. So I sorted them out. I took the bigger ones and put them in a different container so that it's easy for me to use them. So in getting the gel out, you have to cut the sides like you see me do. You cut the sides where the sharp part is. You just cut it off. I hear a lot of complaints that it tends to itch the scalp, and when you cut that side off, you now go ahead and then scoop the gel out, like take the gel out of the plant. Do it. It is a lot of work because aloe vera itself is even slippery. So imagine doing this. It is very, very slippery and it's a lot of work. When you're done, please go ahead and put it in your blender. Blend everything, like blend it to a smooth. Because I'll not be straining it, it's important for me to blend it till it is very, very smooth. If you are not straining it, you have to blend it till it's really, really smooth, and then you are good to go. You can decide to add preservatives. For that, it is totally up to you. Some people tend to add some thickness to make it a bit thicker, but I'm not really a fan of that. I just blend it and put it in my freezer. When I'm ready to use, I take it out and then use them as and when. This is your aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is so beneficial, like it's so medicinal. It can be consumed within, it can be used outside. Like, these benefits are a lot. The benefits of using aloe vera gel is a lot. So I always recommend people to use aloe vera gel both on their hair and on their skin. You can use it as a pre-poo treatment. That is what you do on your hair before you shampoo. It's going to nourish your hair. It even helps in dealing with dandruff. Yes, aloe vera helps in dealing with dandruff. So yes, this is what I have for you, how you can make your own aloe vera gel from scratch. It's a lot of work, but it's so worth it. Like, you later feel accomplished. I don't know, that's how I felt. I don't know if that is how you also feel. In storing it, you can just decide to put it in the freezer as what I did, like big like that, or you put it in ice cube containers and put it in the freezer. That's especially if you want to use it on your skin. That really, really helps if you put it in an ice cube container before you put it in the freezer. Yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Lydia. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be replying all your questions as well. Do well to subscribe to the channel if you are new, and then I'll be ending here for today. Till next time, bye.